Hi class, this is just an introductory video and my goal is just to kind of walk you through the basics of this course. So right now what you are seeing is the student view. So when you guys log in, you are going to see this view. So just a couple of things. I'm going to put this introductory video right here. If you scroll down from the home page, once you've logged in, you are going to go to your course view overview. So if I clicked on that, it's going to take you all about this course. Tell you a little bit about it. You guys can read through what are the course learning objectives, what's my grading scheme, assignments, due dates. We've got a final project, and this rubric here is going to be used throughout the course, so you have an idea on how I'm grading. If you click the next button, it's going to tell you a little bit about myself, give you some contact information, and so forth. So if you ever want to go back to those home buttons, click on your home page. And while you are here, you can also go to About Your Instructor. You can also go to Course Question and Answer. This is just a discussion board where you can post questions that you might have where the course, your classmates may be able to see that. I'm going to go back here to Home. And if you click on course modules, it's going to take you to your modules. So the very first module we're going to do is going to be chapter 4. Some of the stuff you'll see, some of it you won't see. Notice it says you have to complete all items. And the way that I have this set up is you have to go through each item to get to the next one. So the only one highlighted right now is the devotional. And once you go through the devotional, this checkbox will show up right here and you will have completed that and you can go through. One thing I want to highlight for you guys is you may see in some of the modules a review. So my assumption is that you've had a nutrition class. If you haven't, that is okay. I think you'll be fine in the class, but there are some review content pages. You'll notice that there are assignments. In some of these assignments, I have a link. So Carbohydrates for Exercise has multiple items in there. And within that, there is this assignment that's dealing with carbohydrate storage. Then you're going to need to go back to the Carbohydrates for Exercise to do the scenario assignment for fatigue. Okay, so just kind of be aware that in some of the pages, you may have to go back to the content page in order to do the assignment. And you can always come out of the page in order to view the assignment. So that's kind of what this is going to look like. You'll have a module on protein, and those will show up as well. So that's just a very brief introduction to the course. I'm going to go back here to the home page. The one thing I'm going to have you guys do, if you go here to About Your Instructor, you can email me. I check my emails. I do like to use the Remind Me app where you can text me. Those of you who've had me before know that I can you can get in touch with me through the text app, and if I'm awake and it's 10 o'clock, I'm going to text you. And if I'm not going to text you. Sundays, I will tell you, are usually my reserved days in responding. I do church and I have life group, and so I usually am not as responsive on a Sunday. So just kind of be aware of that. The other thing that reminds me, if I go here to modules, note that I have various due dates throughout. So you guys have a week. So I've got here March the 20th, the 21st, the 22nd, and the 24th. Now that may be a little confusing, but my goal in this is for you guys to stay on top of your work. If I put everything till Sunday, what I find is students wait until Sunday. So I'm trying to get you working through the module. That's just a very brief introduction to this course, and hopefully it is something that you guys will enjoy.